So I chose this problem because I feel like there are so many people that are hard of hearing around the world. Actually, recently, my cousin also, like, he lost his hearing. So I was just like, how are we supposed to communicate with these people in day-to-day life? And actually, the idea that I started with was a bit far-fetched. So this is like the grounded version of that idea. I have included my original idea in future scope. So if you want, I can go with the presentation and tell you then, or I can tell right now as well. Wait.
Yeah, sure. Let's go ahead with the presentation.
Okay. So basically, SignSpeak AI, it's an AI powered app that translates spoken and written language into sign language and vice versa. It breaks down communication barriers, and it also contains dictionaries and lessons. I've also added an AI tutor that helps you study for like your daily quiz challenges on the app itself. And okay, so the problem we're solving. So there are 466 million that people that are deaf or hard of hearing around the world, and 70 million people are use sign language globally and like every single day. But digital tools are usually not built to support them. There's a lot of language barriers, and I feel like this language barrier also gives rise to kind of like a social divide, because people that don't know sign language cannot interact with people that can only speak via sign language and vice versa. And then there's no easy solution for this. Like, there's no live translation app that already exists, because all of them either require payment or like there's nothing that um kind of incorporates translation and learning on the same platform, and it doesn't support real-time two-way translation. So like existing tools like these, they don't already exist. So that's why I wanted to solve this problem. So this is the solution that I've come up with. So I'll be introducing you to the core features of the solution. So firstly, there's text-to-sign translation. So you can type or speak any message, and the app instantly generates an animated sign language 3D hand that signs your words in real time. And then there's a sign-to-text translation, where you can sign naturally, and the app recognizes gestures in real time, converting them into clear text so hearing users can follow the conversation instantly. So yeah, that's the main two features. And then we have these features. Third is interactive lessons, which is there's beginner, intermediate, and advanced. In beginner, there's the alphabet for sign language and how to sign it. And then intermediate is just learning simple words. And then advanced is learning phrases. And then the fourth one is a dictionary. Building a dictionary database was kind of time taking. So this is something that I want to work on with time. I want to build on it with time. How this would work is that I will be adding words to it and entries every single day with animated demonstrations. So the AI can learn as well as, the dictionary can become more extensive. For now, it's kind of a simple dictionary. It has alphabets and a few words. Okay, so these are the core features at a glance. It has voice recognition, gesture detection, real-time speed, and offline mode. These are the main things that I was focusing on. And then I also added an AI tutor at the end, which kind of can help you with your daily quiz challenge and stuff like that. I think it was in the demo video. Yeah. So yeah, I was thinking of adding the demo of the app in the middle, but we can do it at the end as well if you'd like. So should we just continue with the presentation?
Or you can do the demonstration in middle also.
Okay, so I'll just show the app then. Okay, so this is the app. I'll just go to the main page because yeah. So this is the landing page. Can you hear me? Yeah. So this is the landing page. There's learn to sign and then understand everyone. So when anyone logs onto the site, they see this first, just a bit of stats, etc., etc. Then you can get started. For me, I've already signed in, so I just need to put my name and my email, which was this. Then I can sign back in. And then there's the dashboard. And here I can either continue on my next lesson or go to the daily quiz challenge. And then this kind of just shows like what the streak is, how many days I've studied, how much time I've spent, how many lessons I've completed. And then these are the lessons. So here I can study the alphabet. So for A, it's like a closed fist facing forward with the thumb resting straight against the side of the index. So basically like this, like these are the closed fingers and then it kind of goes like this. And then there's B, and then there's C, D, E, F, G. And it just goes on. Then there's intermediate, then there's advanced as well, which is just like conversational phrases. So nice to meet you, it's like nice and then meet and then you. Yeah. And then this is supposed to show onto the vector view, but for some reason I don't know why it's not showing. Anyways, and then there's text to sign, where you can allow localhost to use your microphone. So you can either say the word or you can type out the word. I don't want to say it, so I'll just type a word like okay, great. Yeah. So for oh my gosh. Okay. Well, it's just picking up my speech right now, but so it would be like this something. I don't know. But yeah, technically that's how it's supposed to work. And then there's the camera. So wait, I don't know why it's not picking up. Yeah. So this means please in sign language. And then there's the dictionary and quizzes. So this is the dictionary. It's just the daily alphabet. And then there's a daily quiz. So for W, what exactly I have to do? I I would just guess that the thumb is on the side of the index finger, and it then I'll say it's like show hand sign. But then then it tells me the correct hand shape, which is like index, middle, and ring fingers extend upward and spread apart, while the thumb holds the pinky finger down. So something like this. So I'll say, okay, I got it wrong, and then it moves on to the next letter. But then when I go to AI Tutor and I ask it, hey, what do you think I should study? Yeah. So it's like try asking about your streak, which letters you've missed, how to sign. So I can just be like, how do I sign? Thank you. Yeah. Then it says, okay, you sign thank you like this. And I'm like, okay, cool. So that's where it ends, really.